Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I've been all throughout this Dollar General store searching for these pennies because the penny list is humongous. And I wanted to get this Lipton tea deal. So I'm going to go back in the car and show you guys everything I got. So that you can get all the UPCs and everything. But do me a favor, please hit the subscription button. I'm almost to 10,000. Let's hop into the deals. Okay, guys, so here is an incredible deal on the Lipton iced teas. And I'm going to get the green tea, but you can get any of the flavors. You just have to make sure that it is the 2 quart, which is the 64 ounce. So you can even get the peach one, but they are, you want to grab 2 of them first of all. They are $2.25, and when you grab 2, that's going to be $4.50. But then you're going to clip this $1 digital coupon in the DG app, so that's going to bring it down to just $3.50 at the register. But then you're going to get back $2 back from Ibotta, and you can see here on Ibotta it says 64 ounce only, so make sure that you get the 64 ounce. You could do it up to 5 times, and you can use a coupon because it doesn't say you can't use a coupon. Now be careful, guys, because now you do have to have your account linked to the Dollar General app with Ibotta. You cannot just submit your receipt, and I'm going to show you. See, when you log in, it says add offers and shop, use your Dollar General account at checkout. So it does not give you the option to to submit your receipt. So make sure your account is linked so that you can get the money back from Ibotta. So with the $2 back from Ibotta and the $1 digital coupon, that means we're going to pay $1.50 for both of these teas, but they're going to be 75 cents a piece. And then we're also going to submit our receipt to Fetch, and you're going to get some points back from Fetch. So guys, I'd say that's a fantastic deal on these Lipton teas. Okay guys, so this is everything that we're going to get today. We have a bunch of pennies in the cart. So when I get up to the register, hopefully everything will ring up correctly because they did scan in the app. When we get to the car, I will go over the receipt and give you guys all the UPCs. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car. I apologize if you hear the air conditioning, but I have to have it on. It's like 80 degrees here, and I can't have the windows down because then you'll hear the construction going on outside. So let's go over the items that I got that rang up a penny. So remember these, guys? I had got these before for 90% off. I paid 50 cents for them. They are a blue dot. It's the mystery bag for the little girls. I love these, guys. And I sold so many of these to people for their parties and grab bags and things. But these were 1 cent. And this is what they look like. It's the mystery bag. So let me give you the UPC for that. Okay, these come down to 1 penny. Okay, the next item that I got, and there were 2 different variations, so there must be different designs, but I got this. It's a dry erase board, a mini dry erase board, and it comes with the marker, so I got this one. And then they also had this design, so these were a penny. Let me give you the UPC. Let me turn it upside down. Okay, it's the Locker dry erase board, and you can see it has the magnet on the back. 1 cent. Let me see if this has the same number. Yep, they're the same number, so it's just different designs. And then I got these Rexall air foam insoles. They were 1 penny. Let me give you the UPC. Here's the UPC for that. Okay, and they are unisex size, women's size 5 to 10. I got a couple of these. Let me make sure that they're all the same size. Yep, they're all the same size. Okay. Then I thought this was really neat. I got this. It's an instant cooling towel, reusable instant cooling towel. Cools instantly when wet. This was really cute. 1 cent. And let me give you, here's the UPC for that. Oh, it's a little glare. I apologize. Okay. I thought these were neat too. They are reusable totes. And this is a blue dot. So you can be on the lookout for that. And you see it has the zipper, so it's compact. It zips inside. Okay. That's what that is. Let me give you the UPC. Remember, all of these things were 1 cent. We were penny shopping. I usually don't penny shop, but because the penny list was so long and so many items were on there, I figured I would, and I figured I would probably find something. And the thing is, I didn't even go early. It's like I went like about 11:30 this morning. So okay, this is a locker, a mirror for your locker. You see me recording. Again, this is a penny, and it has the magnets on the back. And it comes in pink and blue. So there you see the UPC for that. And then they have some other locker mirrors. Now, these are different than the ones that I just showed you. So I'm just getting all the designs out because there's a couple of different designs, but the UPCs are all the same. 436. Yeah. So let me show you these. So these are much thinner, see? And it still has the magnet, but it's just the one. Whereas this one is much thicker, has a thicker frame, and it's like a PVC frame. And this frame is more like a plastic frame. And this one has the 2 magnetic strips, whereas this only has the 1. So it's this design. Hold on, I'm trying to put it up here on the steering wheel so you can see. It's that design, and then that design. I think I like this one the best, the one with the like the rainbow and the stars. And then here's a flower one, and again, these were all 1 cent. Here is the UPC. Okay. Let me see. A couple more things. Actually, just one more thing. But this one has different designs too. So let me pull these out so you can see them all, because I don't want you to just be looking for one design and then you think, oh, that one's not included. So I'm just going to get out all the designs for you. Okay, so it looks like I have 4 different designs. So these are it says Fash Dry Erase. So they're dry erase boards. So it's that design. And then they have, look at this purple and pink dry erase board. And then here's one, I don't know what that is on there, but here's one. And then here's the other one. I'm sorry about the sun and the glare, but let me give you the UPC for it. Here's the UPC. So these were all 1 cent. And they're just flat dry erase boards. They don't have any magnet or anything on them, but for a penny, I think they're cute. And you know, all of these things I think are great for either back to school, or you know, the kids going to college, putting these in the college baskets. They can use them for their dorm, you know, to hang in their closet in their room, just all kind of different purposes. Or save them for back to school for the kids. You can also use them as stocking stuffers. It's a lot of things you can use these for. So guys, that is what I found. I'm probably going to try to go to another store once I lay down and get some rest. And if I find anything, I'll let you guys know. But come back, let me know what you found, and let me know if you found any of these deals. But until the next time, Keep on saving.